Hi, I'm Sarah, and you are watching Can Sarah DIY It. And today I am working with Woodpeckers Crafts products. So, woodpeckerscrafts.com is a super dope website, and they sell blank wood items. They sell beads, they sell cutouts. They just sell anything that you might want to craft with that is made out of wood. It's really great. I'm an affiliate. I will have links in my description box, but guess what? That's not all. I am part of a playlist today. I am hosting it with my dear friend Tammy from Happiness Created, and I have a giftaway. Yes, my friends. Woodpeckers Crafts, they donated a giftaway valued at over $60. And there's going to be more info about that, how to enter, how to win in a little bit. So, if you are not already subscribed, please consider doing so. I am a growing channel. I am having a blast, and I want you to join me on the journey. I want you to. Come on, join me. Subscribe. And definitely comment on my videos. Let me know what you think. I love to hear your feedback. I also go live on Tuesday nights at 8 o'clock. I have what's called TGIT. Thank goodness it's Tuesday. I partner with my friend Connie from Connie's Creative Creations. She goes live at 7 p.m. Central, and I go live at 8 p.m. Central. And we have been doing that for a few weeks now, and it is a lot of fun. So please join us for that. My live is a little bit silly, but you know, we have fun. All right, let's get into today's crafting. I'm using some of their wood cutouts, and I'm using some stain, I'm using some stencils. I'm gonna have some fun. Let's do it. To qualify to win today's giftaway donated by woodpeckerscrafts.com with over $60 worth of awesome products, please comment on each maker's videos which items you want to craft with the most. The playlist is linked in the description box below. For the different pieces of wood, I have mason jars, and then I have different shapes of cutting boards. And I kind of didn't know what I was going to do. I had a few different colors of Minwax Stain. My favorite color of the Minwax Stain is the Jacobian. It's like a darker, like espresso colored brown. But I also have dark walnut, and I have early American, which is like a lighter brown, and then dark walnut is like a medium brown, and then ebony is like a true black stain, but you still can see the wood grain. So I stained various pieces that I had in these different stains, and I let them sort of cure or like set for 24 hours. I didn't want to like do anything with them until after some of the oil had like calmed down. I didn't want to have to deal with applying stencils and things like that until I didn't have to deal with like the oiliness of the stain. Oiliness. That's how you say it. So once I had let them set though for about 24 hours, they were like the touch was perfect. Everything, it seemed fine. So I think 24 hours is a good amount of time. So the wood pieces, even though they're like 1/4 inch thick, they took the stain really well. The grain looked really nice. And I then just kind of pulled out a bunch of my stencils that I had. I had some self-adhesive stencils that I had purchased off Amazon, just like some random brands. And I just went about putting them on, and I used chalk paint. And chalk paint is a little bit thicker than acrylic paint. And so I got these like Squeegees, and I started to just apply my chalk paint and apply them with the Squeegees. And I am really happy with how it applied for the most part. Some of them were a little bit off center, and I think it's because of how I was sort of trying to like push them down. I think I off-centered them like as I was applying them, but for the most part, I'm really happy with how the stencils laid down. Then I went back and I made some stencils on my silhouette so that I could have a few sayings that went on top of the stencils, like the little prints that I put on top of the stain, like on the boards and on the mason jars. Now these are going to have the likelihood that they're going to pull up a little bit of paint or a little bit of the stain because of the adhesive on the contact paper. Now, what I'm using is stencil paper. Okay, so it's got an adhesive, but it's not as sticky as like a regular vinyl that you would use for another project that you might use for your Cricut or your silhouette. So this is meant to be used as a stencil, but I'm just making my own, using my own fonts. I will link the fonts that I use for each project in the description box below. Okay. Enjoy. These projects are meant to be home decor, something you might hang on the wall or lean against a wall in your front entry. You can put them in your kitchen. They'd make beautiful gifts, and just ideas to be creative and have some fun with, just like a creative craft to do with friends or just on your own. I did them on my own. Why don't I have any crafty friends? Come on. I do have crafty friends. They just live far away and they need to come and visit me. I'm talking to you, Connie. I'm talking to you, Shay. I'm talking to you, Tammy. Both Tammys need to come visit me. All of you need to come visit me. I even, Favi from Arrows, I wouldn't mind a visit. She seems sassafrasy. All right. Well, I hope you like the finished product. I sure do. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to watch the rest of the playlist and make sure to comment in their videos as well so that you can qualify to become a winner. Yes, I said it. You could be the winner. Isn't the gift package amazing? I was like, when they sent me, they were like, hey, how's this for a prize? I was like, yes, please. Could I be the winner of that? That stuff looks incredible. Anyway, it's a lovely company, definitely worth supporting. So either way, go to their website. Definitely check them out. woodpeckerscrafts.com. Love them. Make sure you hit subscribe. Make sure you hit that like button. And for sure, give me a comment. Let me know which woodpeckers item would you want to craft with most. All right. Have a wonderful week. Thank you so much. Make sure to try something new. Goodbye.